Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make Adverb TLM. So let's start. Now this adverb project is ready to explain. First let us understand what is adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb in a sentence. It tells how, when, how often and where. How, for example, slowly, sadly, loudly, easily, softly, happily, etc. When, for example, now, since, today, before, tonight, late, etc. How often, for example, rarely, always, never, frequently, sometimes, often, etc. And where, for example, they are here, nearby, outside, away, backward, etc. So this was our adverb project. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.